Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover connections with ZoomInfo, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging in to your ZoomInfo account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one on the ZoomInfo website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Connections tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Connections tab to access your existing connections. To recover lost connections, start by checking if you have any recent notifications. Navigate to the Notifications section to see any updates related to your connections. Next, use the search bar at the top to find specific connections you want to recover. Enter the name or email of the connection you're trying to locate. Review the search results for your desired connection. If the connection appears grayed out or inactive, select it to see recovery options. Click on the option to reconnect or re-engage as prompted. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the reconnection process. If the connection does not appear in your search, consider adjust the filters by location, industry, or company size to find hidden connections. Once you locate your connection, select it to view its profile. Check for any relevant updates or notes linked to that connection. If applicable, reach out via the contact options provided on their profile. Make sure to personalize your message when re-establishing the connection. After sending your message, keep an eye on your notifications for their response. Aside from direct reconnections, you can also leverage mutual connections. Explore shared contacts for potential introductions to lost connections. Keep in mind to regularly update your own connection list for better organization. Lastly, maintain an engaged communication strategy to avoid losing connections in the future. Utilizing these steps can greatly assist in recovering your valuable connections on ZoomInfo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.